Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter ratio and proportion, exercise 6a, in page number 81. All of you take out your textbook, maths textbook, page number 81, 17th question. Up to 16th we have finished in the previous class. Now question 17. Here ratio of the shadows of two poles. There are shadows when we stand outside in the sun. For our body also there is a shadow. Same way for electrical pole or any telephone pole or any other cable poles are having their shadows because they are outside for us. Okay, now? So the shadows, ratio of the shadows of two poles is equal to 2:3. The shadows are in the ratio 2:3. Here the height of the smaller pole given as 7.5 centimeters. Height of the smaller pole given as 7.5 centimeters. Here smaller part is 2. Here bigger part is 3. So smaller part 2, that is 2 parts in the ratio, will be related with the smaller pole height, that is 7.5 centimeters. Is it clear? This is 7.5 centimeters is given as a height of smaller pole. When this is given for the smaller pole, in the ratio smaller value is 2 only, that 2 is having relation with this 7.5 centimeters. That is the way we have to identify. So I have written that is 2 parts from the ratio is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Then 1 part is equal to 2 parts value, that much. We want to find out 1 part value. How to get 1 part value? That is with division. That only we have done 7.5 by 2. It gives you 1 part value. Yes or no? What is the need of finding 1 part? Because we need to find 3 parts value. That is only the height of the larger pole or the bigger pole. Now height of the larger pole is equal to 3 parts. As I said now. 3 into 1 part value 7.5 by 2. Am I correct? Then 3 into 7.5 written as 75 by that 2 changed as 20 because point which is after 1 digit in the numerator was removed and was placed in the denominator, that 1 times 0. Yes or no? We have already learned this procedure in the chapter decimals too. Now we are utilizing that. Okay, no? Now fifth table used to cancel. 5 4s are 20, 5 15s 75. 5 4s are 20, 5 15s 75. Clear now, students? Now 15 3s are 45 by denominator 4 as it is. Because of no common table to cancel again, I have multiplied both the numerators. Of course, denominator same as it is written 4. 45 we should divide with the fourth table and then we will get in the quotient 11.25, that is centimeters. That is the height of the larger pole. That is the height of the larger pole. Okay, now students? So this is the way we have to do it. Very easy answer for us. I hope things are very clear for that 17th answer. Let us see 18th question. All of you look at this side. Now here also same way they have given ratio of two numbers. There are ratio of the lengths of the two shadows given for the poles. Here ratio of two numbers given as 4:7, and those two numbers they did not give, just those the ratio of the two numbers given, those numbers they did not give. Let two numbers required are 4x comma 7x. Their LCM given as 168. Whose LCM? The LCM of the numbers given as 168. But we know how to find LCM. LCM of the two numbers what we thought called 4x comma 7x. So 4x, 7x I have used. What is the common part in both the numbers taken 4x and 7x? X is common. X 4 so 4x, x 7 so 7x. Am I correct? X into 4 is 4x. X into 7 is 7x. It is only the method through which we can do LCM. Am I correct? Now 4 and 7 left. No more common table. Now we want to find LCM. That only I have written x into symbol 4 again into symbol 7. Clear now? Then 7 into 4 28. 28 into x 28x. This 28x is called LCM for the given two numbers what we thought in the beginning. Am I correct? But we got 28x as LCM. But they said LCM given in the question is 168. That means both are showing LCMs of the same numbers. So both are equal, no? So 28x is equal to 168. Then only x is equal to 168 by 28. I have cancelled both the numbers with the 14th table. 14 2s are 28. 14 1s are 14. 2 left 28. 14 2s are 28. 2 1s 2. 2 6s are 12. So x value we got as 6. Thus two numbers required in the question are, first one we said as 4x. That is 4 into x value 6. Now only we got. That was substituted. 4 6 are 24. And another number we said as 7x. That is equal to 7 into x value 6. I have substituted now. 7 6 are 42. Now numbers actually we need are 24 and 42. Then only those two numbers will give the ratio called 4:7. Again, their LCM gives you 168. So thus the required numbers in order to fulfill the conditions given are 24 and 42. It is a little different from the previous teachings, but the concept is ratio only we have used now. So I think it is also clear. Once again go through the given teaching part to make it more clear, and you have to write your classwork notebook as I am giving every time. The notes from the board I am giving to with the help of your photo. Write it without any fail or without any confusion. Okay now students, we will meet you with other part of teaching in the next class. Okay students, thank you.